Guys, let's make this chili relleno steak and egg bagel. All right, I'm gonna start with my poblano. Little oil on the grill and throw it down. I just wanna blister the skin on all sides. I'm gonna use a little pan so I steam it, cook it through. We'll put it in a bag to rest. Now we're gonna throw down some carne asada. We want that to get a nice crust on both sides, so don't move it around a whole lot. Be sure your griddle's nice and hot. Then we're just gonna give it a good chop. Keep that warm. It's time to cook a couple of eggs. Do them how you like. Mine will go over medium. Just set those aside. Let's get our bagels ready. All right, a little bit of butter. I have some Asiago cheese bagels. They go down on the griddle. We're looking for a little crunchy crispity. Ready for the cheese. Now we get our pepper. I peeled the skin, so we're gonna pull out that stem, open it up, the seeds in there. Just get as many out as you can. When it looks like that, you're good. Throw it down on that cheese. When you're ready, flip it over. Time to build a sandwich. Little jalapeno mayo. We put that pepper down with the cheese. Go down with our steak. We're gonna hit that with some fresh pico de gallo, our crema, a little queso fresco. Remember that egg we cooked? That's next. Throw on the lid. Cut that thing in half, man. Just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.